Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to link Cashapp with America First Credit Union bank account. So if you haven't signed up for Cashapp just yet, you can use my link down below, and once you sign up, we'll each both instantly get $5 deposited into our Cashapp account. It's basically free money. So with that being said, once you sign into your Cashapp account, you want to go ahead and click on the profile icon on the upper right hand side, and then scroll down to where it says linked banks. Now, if you don't see the words linked banks, it might say linked cards. You need to link your debit card, at least from what I found out, in order to link your bank. So go ahead and click on linked banks. And then as you can see, I've already linked my debit card, and that's when I was able to link my bank. So go ahead and click on link bank again. Now from here, you just want to click on continue and then find America First Credit Union. So America First Credit Union is on the right hand side. Go ahead and click on that. And then from here, you're going to log into America First Credit Union. So the prompts here are pretty straightforward after this. You just want to go ahead and log into your credit union account and then select the accounts that you want linked to Cashapp. And so that is how you link America First Credit Union to Cashapp. And again, if you haven't signed up for Cashapp just yet, you can use my link down below. And once you sign up, we'll both instantly get $5 deposited into our accounts. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.